In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a discount code on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am recording this method through a web browser on my computer. This is why, as far as I know, you aren't able to include discount codes when purchasing stuff directly from the eShop on your console. So if you have an eligible discount code that you would like to use, for Nintendo items, you will have to do this process through a web browser on your computer. So just follow along. Open a web browser, go to Nintendo.com, and make sure that you are signed into the Nintendo account where you wish to make the purchase using the discount code. In here, you will be able to browse through various games, expansion packs, add-ons, and even hardware or different merch. All that you have to do is select any item that you would like to purchase using the discount code and add the item to your cart. To my knowledge, the discount code option is only going to be available if you are able to add the item to your cart. So for example, if you select to purchase a digital copy, as you can see, it only says direct download. So this isn't going to work. You need to add the items to your cart. Once you have everything eligible to be used with the discount code on your cart, access it, and one of the options above the checkout option is going to be promotional code. So this is all you have to do. In here, you can include the code that you wish to use, and it is going to verify to see if it's eligible. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a promo code to display on screen, so as you can see, it's just telling me that it is invalid. But if you have a valid promo code, you will be able to use it here, and the discount is going to be applied as soon as you proceed to checkout. Keep in mind that if you are trying to redeem a code to receive a full game, expansion, or even a Nintendo Switch online membership subscription, you can do it on the eShop inside of your Switch when you go over to the redeem code option. The method that I've displayed in this video is going to be for discount codes, something that you cannot do on the Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a discount code on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.